This board is okay, but main IC is dead. And second phone is dead, but main IC is okay, and I want to replace the OK IC on OK board and complete one mobile from these two mobile phones. Now this IC is okay, I want to remove it and put it on another OK circuit. First, put some flux paste and set the heat of hot air gun on 350 to 400. And set the air 3 to 5 and slowly and smoothly remove this IC from circuit and move to next step. Now in this step, I remove the faulty IC from circuit and put another OK IC on it. Watch all the video till the end. And this solutions is for all Nokia and keypad mobile phones for original and non-original. Nokia and keypad mobile phones, the process you need to solve your problem of dead mobile phones. Now I successfully done my job and hopefully one mobile is okay fro. From these two mobile phones, thanks for watching.